Hey guys, Matty from Built Right here, and today we're going to be installing a set of bedside racks on our 2020 F-250. To complete this install, you'll need a 7/16 socket on a ratchet, a T30 TORX, a T40 TORX, and we'll be using an impact driver. In front of me, I have a 102016, which is the passenger side rear panel, and that mounts up using the 4 BoxLink plate screws along with the 2 screws that are used to screw the tie down into the bed. The driver side panel will be the same thing, and then the 2 front panels will only be using the BoxLink screws. In a driver panel kit, you're going to get a driver side panel, a patch plate hardware kit, along with a rubber bumper and a tree clip. In the front panel kits, they're going to be the same thing. They're each going to just be a panel in a box. And then for the rear passenger side panel, you'll get a panel along with the same rubber bumper and push clip that you got with the driver panel. So with the driver side panel, you're going to get a patch plate along with some hardware to install the patch plate. If you have a power port on your driver's side, you're probably not going to want to install this. But if you are, you're just going to drop the 4 carriage bolts into the 4 corners. Like so. And each of the carriage bolts is going to get a washer and a nut on the back side. And then we're going to just take our 7/16 socket and tighten them down. So to install each of the 4 panels, you're going to need to remove the 4 BoxLink screws in the 4 corners of the bed, and then to install the 2 rear panels, you're going to need to uninstall this rear tie down. So we're just going to use the screws for the tie down. And once everything's hand tight, we're going to go back around with our impact and tighten everything down. And then we're just going to install the tree clip and the rubber bumper on the back side of the panel. I like to do it in this lower corner. So you can either install this panel like this with the 2 slots to the back, or you could flip it around and just have 2 slots towards the front of the truck. Doesn't make a difference. And that's it. Your bedside racks are installed in your Ford Super Duty pickup. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, hit us up on email, on the phone, or on social media. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna mess my hair up. It's not gonna be a good hair day. Yeah, watch out. I just don't even know what to say. Hey guys, Maddie from Bill right here, and today we're going to be filming